Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new here, my name is Steph, and today I am filming I Hate My Wardrobe episode 11. Now, this outfit obviously looks very similar, but you guys have seen this in 7 and 8. So to kind of explain, I'm filming this on the same day that I'm filming 7 and 8, but we're setting it in the future because this is going to be one of the consignment episodes. I'm going to take you guys through the process of consigning, and I wanted to put this far enough into the future that there was enough stuff, like enough videos of me pulling, and if I did do another declutter and everything, that I, had time to fill that footage in, so it's a nice, clear and robust video for you guys. So this is going to be the initial, I think, pull and drop off. I decluttered my knitwear. I'm probably going to go back through in a earlier episode that you guys are going to see. It's so weird filming this now for the future, knowing that there's still more stuff to come. And pull out more winter pieces, specifically things that could be holiday wear that could get consigned. Hopefully they'll take it quickly. But yeah, so I'm just gonna sort through the stuff behind me into give it another once over into donate, consign, and trash. And I want to just be very thorough, very careful with this, make good decisions, and then we're going to go from there. So yeah, let's get to it. And I'm gonna talk to you guys. Okay, so I went through a while ago and pulled out everything from Brandy Melville, Abercrombie, Hollister, Zara, all that sort of stuff. So I don't really have a ton of fast fashion high street. I have more premium high street in here now. So Aritzia, Monaco, Free People, etc. So what I want to do is assess the assess where everything is at, the season and whatnot, and go through. So this is a Free People sweater, for instance. Now it's not super snuggly, but it was sold as a winter sweater, but it is Free People, so it's definitely up for consignment. I have two older Aritzia sweaters in here, but they are open knit, so these are definitely going to be much more summer situations, so they will probably not get brought in for consignment now because they'll be there for too long, but they will definitely get brought later. Or maybe in the meantime, I'll put them up on somewhere. I really hate reseller sites. I just don't have the patience for them, honestly, unfortunately. So yeah, okay. They're both Tallulah, by the way, which is vintage. This is Club Monaco. It's super dated. I don't think it would sell well, but because it is Club Monaco, we're going to try to consign it first, and then if it doesn't sell, this is just hella faded Lord & Taylor. It's still good, but it is faded, so I'm gonna toss it. I don't think it's not in good enough shape to gift on, nor is it in good enough shape to donate. This is All Saints. We're gonna try and consign it. Same with this guy. This is Club Monaco. It's in pretty perfect condition. I love this sweater a lot, except for how this neck fits. It just doesn't work for me. It makes me feel terrible. Okay, this is a line sweater. It's good, but I'm gonna donate this one, I think. This is just a toss. This is a diesel sweater. It's a little shrunken, but it's still good, especially if you're smaller than I am. It's not noticeable that it's shrunk. So that's gonna be consigned. Ooh, a fending Zara piece. Okay, this is a Zara, H&M sweater vest. We're gonna donate this guy. And this is a Aritzia wool sweater. Again, the wool has hardened a little bit. I probably wouldn't try to sell it, but I think donating it, it's still perfectly serviceable. And it still fits me, it's just no longer my style, and just, I don't know, I used to love it, but now I don't, and I think it's best to donate it. I don't think the Aritzia sweaters are just, the quality's not what they, like they're not going to sell for good value at a consignment store, and I think it would be better to just give it to somebody who would appreciate it. So yeah, there we go. That is the first round here. The second thing is I pulled out some stuff from those drawers, and I have to deal with them, so why not deal with them now? The first is a Ralph Lauren gingham seersucker pair of shorts. Now these are a size 4. They are way too big for me, way too long, so I'm gonna pop them into the to consign, but in the summer. This is a really old pair of these gotta go. These are old, these can be donated. Old Ralph. What is this? Also, Club Monaco. Bermuda shorts. Let's put you in the summer donate pile. Oh, are these Zara? Yeah, okay. Donate pile. These, I'm going to keep them. They are Lacoste. These actually look good. And then these are heat tech tights. So I'm gonna keep these. All right, feeling good about this. This is gonna go to the Diabetes Society. This is gonna go to the consignment store, and that is consignment store a little bit later in the season when they're looking for like spring, summer stuff. Whew. Okay, I feel great about this. Yeah, come back. Well, I'm gonna check back in later with you guys. Probably like tomorrow, maybe even later today after when I pull out more stuff, but I'm gonna go eat. And we're popping right in from the last video. I have decluttered so much, as you can see. So we've done another round of decluttering, and here is the chaos. But effectively, this is all consigned for spring, summer. That little pile there is for the Diabetes Society. This pile, I think these two piles have legs for consigning. So apparently what I have to do is I have to take photos of everything. So I'm not going to do that right this second, but it is good to just have everything pulled out, and I hope that they're going to take like most of this, because I would love to just like get rid of it all. Yeah, and then a couple pieces over here for diabetes. I mean, anything that the consignment stores don't take, and anything that I can't sell on through a third party, like a reseller app. I don't love resellers apps because they're just annoying to me, but I'll learn how to use them. I will get over that. So anything out of this will go, that doesn't get consigned, will go there, and then if it doesn't sell, will get donated. So that's the workflow, and I'm gonna just quickly clean this all up, and I gotta keep on keeping on, I think. All right, here is the last big section of decluttering that I've done. These I'm actually going to keep, but all of these are gonna go and get consigned and either sold on like Depop or something like that. So we'll see. I just need to do a little bit of research about whether it's better to sell like my Aritzia stuff on consignment or online somewhere. But like I said, my preference is consignment because it's less work for me, to be honest. But because I have to take photos of everything anyways, I'm kind of changing my tune as I think about it. But we're feeling good. We're feeling good. So all of this is gonna try to consign first, and there's a pair of pants that I need to try on, but yeah, got rid of that, and feeling good. Watch the episode before this, you guys will know, I just, like, now that this big bulk is done, I feel so good. Like, I feel really, really like I've done a big part of this process, and I now have the fun, enjoyable task of, you know, building the outfits and wearing my clothes and fine-tuning the organization and stuff. Like, the tedious tasks is kind of like as I'm filming this video, right? Like, the tedious stuff of decluttering, sorting, selling, all of that is kind of wrapping itself up, which is amazing. I feel so much better about this, and I am genuinely now like looking forward to kind of the, not necessarily, I guess I'm not really rebuilding, but the like reinvigorating my own feelings towards the clothes that I have, and especially now that I can see so much more of them and I've rejigged my closet flow and everything a little bit more. I don't know, it feels great. So I would highly recommend doing this. I'm gonna go and pop the stuff that I need to take photos for consignment into the other room, and I'll check back in with you guys in a couple, I don't know, in a day or two whenever I get to work. But yeah, so far such a good start. I feel so good about this.